Hello everyone, this is Crypto Maximalist. Welcome back to another video. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and get involved if you like the content. We're currently running a giveaway for those who are liking our videos, so give the video a like if you want to be entered into that giveaway. So just taking a look at VeChain here, and as we can see, still not doing very much at all on the daily time frame. In reality, we're just in and around our EMAs right now, trying to backtest them as support. You can see we did actually have a nice little backtest of the 20 here, followed by a pump on our daily candle here, back up above our 55 so far. But compared to most cryptos right now, VeChain really hasn't been moving that much at all. You can see just how low the volume is and the interest in VeChain right now. Obviously, we have had these key levels of structure in terms of resistance trend lines being broken here, and the double backtest in the past few weeks of the low again. Looking like we have, picked up off the low, currently trading at around 2.4 cents. But VeChain, looking very boring right now. Everyone's getting very, very, wound up by VeChain, you would say. Lots of people saying, oh, when does it go back up to a certain price point so that I can sell and get out of this crypto? But in reality, let's be honest, guys, if you do see VeChain starting to come back up to those price targets you're thinking of selling at, 10 cents, 20 cents, 30 cents, you're probably not going to sell, are you? Because you can see, if you zoom out, VeChain is shaping up very, very bullishly in our opinion, on a macro, multi-year time frame kind of way. You can see on the daily here, we've had obviously the COVID dump followed by a huge move to the upside. We've come back down, and this previous swing high level of resistance is acting as a very strong support right now, isn't it? And I mean, you could realistically say that with the 95% retracement we've seen for VeChain and the seller exhaustion that we're seeing as well, I mean, realistically, you could be looking at something like this, where you basically come up massively, retrace massively, and then this could be your higher low if this low does hold here, higher low, and then come back up for that higher high, get those Fibonacci extensions that everyone's looking for, where you basically got not just your retracement levels here, but also these extensions that are all still on the cards, aren't they? Basically that 141 at around 82 cents is a target that a lot of people have been looking for and saying that could easily be hit over the next few years if VeChain does what it needs to do. And you can see, things are so boring right now and everyone's so annoyed about how things are going, but realistically, this is a crypto that has moved massively in the past, and we don't see why anything will change in regards to the future as long as the fundamentals are strong. And VeChain has got massive fundamentals, hasn't it? So obviously no one can predict the future, but we do think, this crypto has moved massively in the past, and considering how good this crypto really is and the amount of use it's getting, it's probably going to see a nice little move in the future as well over the next few years, in our opinion. On the hourly time frame here, pretty obvious what we had, a nice little double bottom here. Obviously with the RSI decreasing in strength there, you'd say, we come back down, losing momentum to the downside. We get back up here and looking like we are still stuck under this key level of resistance here, in and around, what is this level here, 2.4 cents. So obviously this is where you need to be broken on our short-term time frames, coming back up to that overall resistance at 2.6 cents that we have highlighted here as the next level of resistance. That would be a nice one to be broken. Resistance, and then also here, this is a resistance, as we said, that does need to be broken, and then heading back up to the top of the range. But as we said, for most cryptos that are in these ranges that we have identified, until we see a break of the range in either direction with a lot of volume, then we are still ranging, aren't we? So really nothing else to say, guys. Thank you everyone for watching. Make sure to check out the links in the description below to support the channel. Grab yourself some free money bonuses, like the video, subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you in the next video.